Hey crafty people, in this video we're going to be talking about an abbreviation, DTR. It stands for double treble. It's a very tall stitch, as you can tell, very tall. And when you make it, it's all loosey-goosey. So, you know, if you've got a project that requires that kind of looseness, that kind of space in between stitches, this is a stitch for you. So to begin with, this stitch is 5 chains tall. So when you're starting a row or a round, the turning chain needs to be 5 stitches tall. So how do you make a double treble? So a regular treble, you do 1, 2, 3 loops on your hook. For a double treble, you do one more. So it's 4 loops on your hook. Go into your stitch, pull up a loop. And then, much like most of the stitches, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. And you do that 5 times. So that creates a very, very tall stitch. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Into the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, and yarn over through 2. So there you go. That's double treble.